Hey boo-boos, I am here from the Loft, Medford, here in Medford, Massachusetts, getting my hair did. We taking some Christmas pictures tomorrow, and I want to come in and get a special style done, and we are going to be using big chop hair clip-ins. This is the kinky, curly texture, so this is the tightest texture sold that you can get over at bigchophair.com. Always, of course, use the code LISA to save an extra percentage, or I think it's a percentage amount now. But you'll save some money off your order. But yeah, I don't know the length of this because obviously it was sent to me. I don't know what she actually sent. So I'll leave that information down in the description bar. Also, if you're in the Boston area, you probably no doubt have seen my video featuring Sharita. She did my tapered cut back in, I think that was June or July-ish. So she did my cut then. I have only cut my hair twice since then. So we blew it out today. It's grown out a lot, and I'm definitely going to get it back, you know, get the sides cut down and tapered again. But for today's style, we needed some of the hair on the side. So anyway, sit back, sit tight. Again, we're starting on blow-dried hair. Yeah, say hi to Sharita.
Hi, everyone.
So, and I'll put information about where you can contact Sharita if you're in the Boston area. She does strictly natural hair. Yeah, alright, so let's go ahead and get started. So, we blow-dried the hair. Now, Big Chop hair does, as you know, come in blown straight texture. So she has clip-ins that already come in this texture. But because I want to do both, and I'm only blowing it out for this one style, I'm leaving it in this, you know, we're doing it in this texture, and then I'll wash it, and then I'll revert back to the kinkier texture that I'll use on my own hair when I want to do something a little bit different. Okay? Okay. Alright, so let's get, I'm so greasy. Friends, forgive me. Forgive me. Forgive me. Okay, alright, so let's get started. So here we are with all of the clip-ins, and we use two. I think just this is all the hair we got left, child. Okay, So we basically covered up, and y'all have seen my big chop hair clip-ins. You know how this goes. We essentially covered up all of my hair, so very little bit of my hair is exposed, just a little bit here and here. And now we're going to go ahead and set the hair on some curl rods so we can have the finished look. But this is it. So, honey, I'm feeling this already. Okay? Listen.